guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my 2023 vision board, or welcome to a vlog where I'm gonna be making my 2023 vision board. So I'm in the Starbucks right now, mall mein, and I don't know why I decided to come here. I just wanted to go somewhere out, like a cute cafe or somewhere, and make my vision board. घर पे बस बैठ के करना नहीं था because Preet is here with me too. I was going to do this with Tisha, Vidya, Bela, everybody, but Tisha has made it already. Vidya is leaving for Kutch and Bela is busy with family thingy, and it's 2nd of January already. So I just want to get done with it और ज़्यादा मैं postpone नहीं करना चाहती this vision board thingy. So I'm gonna do it today. I don't think मैं आज की clips में ज़्यादा बात करूँगी. I'll add a voice over because यहाँ पे already background में बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ है. So then video देखने में मज़ा नहीं आएगा. So I'll add voice overs most probably for the starting का bit, and then घर पे जब जाके आगे का कंटिन्यू कर रहे होंगे तो I'll like talk to you guys साथ में. So yeah, let's get started with this video. So basically for vision board we are going to do two things. एक तो physical vision board होगा which is going to be in my planner, and the second one is going to be digital. One is going to be on my phone's wallpaper and the other one is going to be on my laptop's wallpaper. We are going to make all the three together today. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go ahead. Oh, by the way, Preet is also going to make it, but she's also going to make a digital one. She's not making like a physical board. वो सिर्फ digital बना रही है. So, would you mind sharing it with everybody? She doesn't know yet. बनने के बाद देखते हैं. अगर उसको दिखाना हुआ तो दिखा देंगे, नहीं तो फिर आप बस मेरा देख लेना. So basically, vision board is like a board where you put all the visions of your goals. You could put like मतलब अगर आपको कुछ specific college में जाना है तो you could put those college का pictures. If you want to have a particular habit inculcated in your routine, then you could put uska pictures, or you can add like affirmations to it. You can add anything that you want to attract or anything that is your goal. Uske pictures basically you put on your vision board, and you do it because you manifested that way. And it also kind of keeps reminding you every single day that these are your goals, so you should be working on these so that you can every day take like one step to move forward towards your goal. I hope you're getting it. Like every step that you take will keep taking you forward to your goal. So yeah, basically it's a reminder for every day कि आज थोड़ा सा कुछ करो जो आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके मेन गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए. And also visualization helps the best for manifestation, because when you visualize it you get into that moment and you feel everything, and once you feel it you vibrate at that frequency and attract it towards you better. So that's why vision boards are helpful. From my last year's vision board I could complete 3 of my visions. So yeah, it helped me that way. Every single day I was taking steps that would take me closer to my goal, and I achieved so many of those. कुछ कुछ थे जो नहीं हो पाए, but that's okay. उससे demotivate नहीं होना. You just have to keep moving forward and appreciating yourself and your progress every single day, and be grateful for whatever you are doing, whatever you have in your life. And don't forget to add positive affirmations. कुछ भी negative वगैरह मत डालना कि I don't want this, don't want that. Whatever you want सिर्फ वो ही सब डालना vision board पे. So the last clip that you saw उसमें मैंने बस ऐसे basically arrange कर दिए थे सारे pictures. I guess I have it यहाँ पे actually with me right now. I'm back home. वो सब मैं Starbucks में करी थी. Now I'm back home and I'm gonna continue doing it right now. So मैंने सब pictures वगैरह cut कर दिए है. And for the affirmations and all of that मैंने ऐसे छोटे छोटे cut किए so that वो collage के ऊपर बीच बीच में I can place pictures like these. Like अभी इसका भी मैं कर रही हूँ. ये इधर से cut कर दिया, ये करना है. So that's what I'm gonna do. मेरा layout is decided. I just have to stick it now. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm done with my vision board, like the physical wala vision board, and I quite like it. I've put so many affirmations this time because I need them like absolutely need them. So here's my vision board for 2022. Let's, oh yeah, 2023. So let's see how many of these I can accomplish this year. Abhi past 2 days say I've been meditating regularly. I've been practicing gratitude also regularly. So that is going good. एंड मेरे टू डू लिस्ट को भी मैं बराबर से फॉलो कर रही हूँ. आई होप आई स्टे कंसिस्टेंट दिस ईयर बिकॉज there's just so much that I'm expecting from 2023, and I really want 2023 to be my year and change my life completely this year. But let's see, now let's move on to digital vision boards. यही सब पिक्चर्स रहेंगी वो बेसिकली, बट डिजिटली बनाऊंगी मैं. जो भी ऐसा ही सेम लेआउट नहीं होगा. इट विल बी डिफरेंट बिकॉज इट विल बी लाइक 9:16 वाला, बिकॉज वर्टिकल मेरे को फ़ोन पे चाहिए एंड देन on my laptop also. So I'm gonna make 2 digital versions now. Like आपने previous clip में देख लिया, I made the new wallpaper. This was my previous one. It wasn't like a vision board. It was more like a mood board. Yes, I've been obsessed with pink for quite some time now. And yeah, now I'm going to change it. I hope I like that. अगर नहीं पसंद आया तो मैं I guess यही रखूँगी because laptop तो मैं वैसे भी ज़्यादा use नहीं करती. So my vision board is already there on my planner and on my phone. So I guess that will work too. But we'll see how it looks on the laptop too once. My laptop screen is very dirty, but please ignore that. And इसका resolution भी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, so it's like looking very dull. But how do you like it? I guess I'm confused. What do you think? Which one is better, this one or the previous one? Previous one was not like a vision board. This is my vision board. All of the vision or pictures that I've stuck in my planner are here too. I don't know. I'm still contemplating if I should keep it like this or like पहले वाला better था. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you like more. And yeah, we're done with our digital board too for laptop. Okay, so I've changed and gotten pura comfy because it was taking like a lot of time. मैंने बीच में dinner break भी ले लिया था. So my phone's wallpaper is ready too. I'll insert a picture over here. You can see that it's almost similar to the laptop one and like जो भी मेरे book में, because the pictures are same, बस वो collage different way में हुआ है. So I'll insert it here. Let me know how you guys like it, and I hope आप लोग को ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. You guys enjoyed watching it. I don't know बोर हुआ या अच्छी लगी because it's kind of repetitive. I've made like a vision board earlier too, but since you guys wanted to see my 2023 vision board too and wanted me to share it with you guys, I did it here. Actually, this video would have been more fun if Vidya, Bela and Preet did it with me and Tisha did it with me, but none of them, like किसी के साथ मेरा प्लान वो हो नहीं पाया. So I had no option but to make it on my own alone. Hopefully next year or some other day we'll do something fun like this, like painting or something together in a cute cafe or something, and I'll vlog that for you. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and it was helpful for you. But basically, let me just give you one tip, which is vision board is like खुद के लिए. तो वो दूसरों को कैसा दिख रहा है या वो ओवरऑल कैसा दिखने वाला है उसके बारे में मत सोचना. जस्ट पुट एवरीथिंग in whatever order you like. Maybe you want to put everything in sections like career idhar, read and personal idhar, health related on some other corner and stuff. Last time when I made it, I also divided it into sections, but this time I did not because I thought kahin pe bhi dekhu to the vision board should remind me of everything that I want to achieve and not just one thing, and not just remind me about one thing. So yeah, this time I've made it pura mix karke and like everything everywhere. But it depends on you. If you want to categorize it and put it, you can. If you want to leave some empty space so that if you feel like adding something else in future, you can leave empty space and add pictures later on. It should basically depict your visions. It should be very personalized. Like वो vision देख के आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि आप उससे क्या relate कर रहे हो and like क्या manifest कर रहे हो या क्या आप करना चाहते हो. वो विजन बस लाइक एकदम वेग और बहुत वो नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप भी सोचो अच्छा ये मैंने क्यों डाला था या इससे क्या क्या रिलेटेड है. आपकी अगर कुछ टिप्स चाहिए कैसे बनाना है, क्या प्रोसेस एंड एवरीथिंग, यू कैन गो चेक आउट माई प्रीवियस ईयर्स वीडियो एंड उसमें मैंने प्रोडक्टिविटी टिप्स वगैरह भी शेयर किए थे. आई गेस दैट इज़ what I would still suggest you all to follow, mainly for people who are preparing for the entrance examination. उसमें बहुत सारे tips है creativity related too, so go watch it. And yeah, I'll see you guys really very soon in my next video. I hope 2023 की first YouTube video आपको अच्छी लगी हो. If you liked it, then do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you really very soon in my new video. Bye, take care. Have a happy new year. Also, if you want, you can let me know some of your resolutions in the comments down below. I have shared my visions, my goals that I want to achieve or manifest this year. Let me know about yours too in the comments down below. I'll be excited to know.